Good morning, students. Welcome to Science Amazing Facts. Science is like magic but real, and also science is the poetry of reality. Color has been an inseparable part of man's existence from times immemorial, and also nature is full of colors. Every species in this world is accompanied by a variety of colors. And also, our body gets ultraviolet and infrared treatment from sunlight. The flowers of different colors like pink, yellow, violet give comforting effect on tired minds. And also, the colors in person's attire, that means the dress, reflect his personality. So, a world without green fields or the blue sky or the gold of sun and the pink of the flowers will be dull. So, nature has its own scheme of color for substances and renewal of its rhythm and cycle. Actually, the mysteries of water are similar to those of blood in the human body. In nature, normal functions are fulfilled by water, just as blood provides many important functions for mankind. So in this video, we are going to see about the different colors of blood. As the nature is filled with colors, now in this video we are going to see about the different colors of blood. So children, do you know why human blood is red in color? So let's see the reason behind this. Because of iron content present in the blood, it appears red in color, and human blood carries hemoglobin. Have you ever thought what is the color of mosquito's blood? The mosquito blood is colorless. Though it sucks human blood, it won't carry hemoglobin. The red blood appears when we kill it is blood of a mammal. So now let's see what is the color of octopus blood. The color of octopus blood is blue. As it lives in deep seas, octopus evolved copper rather than iron-based blood called hemocyanin. Copper base is more efficient at transporting oxygen when water temperature is very low and less oxygen. So now let's see what is the color of cockroach blood. Blood of cockroach is white as it won't contain any mineral, and in fact cockroach won't contain blood vessels. Do you know any animal containing green colored blood? It is skinks. Though they carry hemoglobin in their blood, they excrete too much of bilirubin and biliverdin unlike humans. So pigmentations occurs in their blood. So children, the science behind the different colors of blood is the red color blood is because of the respiratory pigment hemoglobin. The blue color blood is because of the respiratory pigment hemocyanin, and the green color blood is because of the respiratory pigment chlorochlorine, and purple color blood is because of the respiratory pigment hemoerythrin. So now let's see about iron deficiency disorders in human beings. First one is persistent fatigue, pale skin, shortness of breath, headaches, dizziness, and heart palpitations. So children, try to increase iron-rich food in your diet. Some food are the pulses, grains, nuts, greens, as well as dates, apricots, etc. Blood is lifeline and its value is only recognized when we are in need of it to save lives of our dear and near. So children, take care of yourself. Thank you.